Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we have the target paper for commercial geography for the examination of 2024 for class 12. So as usual we do have some short question answers for this and long question answer as well. Let's get to the questions now. Okay, the first topic we have, it's introduction to commercial geography. The short question answers will be: define commercial geography. What are the importance of commercial geography for students, industrialists, and agriculturists? And the right note on interrelation of commercial activities, differentiate between commercial and economical activities, explain the major geographical regions of the world. It will be a detailed question. Define commercial activities and also draw its chart. Topics 2 will be agriculture, detailed questions from chapter number 6, unit number 1, chapter number 8, unit number 2, chapter number 11, unit number 1. Describe the favorable geographical and economic factors necessary for cultivation of wheat, rice, cotton in the world. First we have tea. Describe the importance of cheap labor for tea cultivation. Why tea is not cultivated in plain area. State the commercial use of sugarcane. Define types of wheat. Why is rice not grown in Balochistan on a large scale? Southeast Asia is famous for rice cultivation. Comment. Write about the main rice producing areas of Pakistan. In the rubber section, we have write the favorable factors for rubber cultivation. Why rubber is called equatorial plant. Then we have cotton. Cotton is a leading vegetable crop as well industrial crop. Discuss. Name the cotton producing area in Pakistan and give their importance. Other agriculture questions will be: why are deltaic plains not suitable for agriculture? Mention any four agriculture problems of Pakistan and give suggestion to solve these problems. Explain the role, importance of agriculture in the economy of Pakistan. And the topic third would be industry from chapter number 7, unit number 1 and 2. The detailed questions or the long questions will be: what are localization factors of an industry, or what are the factors required for development uh, industry? And then we would have topic number 4, minerals from chapter number 8, unit 1, 3, 4, chapter 11 from unit 2. You can pause the video and you can see the questions or the topic from there. The topic number 5 would be population from chapter number 4. Here we do have